How to change font size on Facebook on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you how to change the font size on Facebook step by step. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook application on your device and make sure that you log into your account. Proceed by tapping on the three-line menu icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Tap Setting and Privacy. Now select Settings. Scroll down. Look for the option of font size. Note that you are using Facebook Lite application to use this feature because currently this feature is only available on your Facebook Lite application. If you are using Facebook Lite application, you will see font size. Tap on it and you will see three options: large, medium or small. You can tap your preferred size and your font will update instantly. But if you wish to change the font size from Facebook only, you can close this application and look for settings. Tap to open it. Scroll down, navigate to display and look for font. Tap to open it and you can increase or decrease the font size with the help of font size slider. Tap on apply button and when you come back to Facebook, you will easily find that the font size will be changed. So that's it for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.